Today is going to be my birthday. Next week Tuesday, February 8th, 2022 is going to be my birthday. Wow. I give God praise for his grace over me, and I want to spend that birthday with you. Okay, so I want to invite you to a special training that I will be hosting. It's going to be on Zoom, private Zoom meeting, and I'm going to be discussing, I'm going to be showing you, I'm going to be teaching you, and I'm going to be coaching you how to make passive income with Forex, how to make at least $10,000 per month consistently, passively from Forex market. You know, one thing I discovered is that many people wants to, partake of this $6.6 trillion daily market, but they don't have the time or to learn how to trade, or they don't even, they're not just getting it. And they still want to make money. Or either you're on a full-time job, or you're making money right now, but you just want to diversify. So this training will be for you. Or you are sick and tired of this dead-end job that you are doing, or jobs, and you just want, or you need a way out. This training will be for you. So it's going to be on Tuesday, and the time is going to be 7 a.m. Central Time, which is going to be 8 a.m. Eastern Time, and that's going to be 2 p.m. In Nigeria, and of course 1 p.m. in London. So the link to connect, the link to sign up right now, because it's going to be a private Zoom meeting. Okay, this is special training for me. Okay, it's going to be my birthday. I should be on the prayer mountain or somewhere, but I've decided to spend that day with you. So the link should be below this video, or depends on where you are watching this, or it should display right on this video or somewhere above or below. Make sure you click on that link. Okay, register for it right now, and remember, this meeting, the room can only contain just 100 people, so you have to show up at least 15 minutes before the time. Okay, make sure that you do that right now. Stop whatever you are doing right now. Do it right. Yes, do it right now. So click on that link, register, put in your name, your primary email address, and you're going to receive an email from me that will contain the special link to attend the training. Okay, I can't wait to see you. I can't wait to celebrate my birthday with you. So I look forward to see you. God bless you.